Hello, welcome to MyBedFrames. Today I'm going to show you our Elliot 1000 model. Handmade in our workshops and sold directly, we can pass on all the savings rather than giving them to a third party. With this formula, you can save up to 60% against comparable beds. This 10-inch deep medium feel mattress gives a contoured support. It consists of 1,000 of our unique Curvation individual pocket springs. These work independently, ensuring the correct spinal alignment while supporting shoulders and hips. Multiple layers of hypoallergenic fillings are then gathered together. These ensure an excellent level of comfort. The final surface topping used is cool memory foam to give that luxurious feel to the top of the surface. We quilt these fillings with our exclusive extreme cool fabric on one side. This offers perfect temperature regulation, as one side is cooling for those hot summer nights. This helps to reduce overheating and increases your sleeping comfort. The other side is warmer for when the cold winter months draw in. The breathable surface ensures a fresh and hygienic night's sleep and is anti-bedbug resistant. The border of the mattress has 4 rows of side stitching, creating a firmer edge and maximising the sleeping surface, stopping any dipping to the sides of the mattress. Flag stitch turning handles make it easy to turn the mattress, and air vents allow moisture in the mattress to evaporate throughout the day, keeping the sleeping surface fresh all year round.